In this quick tutorial on PMN Online, you will learn how to upload files to a shared Google Drive folder step by step. Imagine you're working on a group project, or perhaps you need to share important documents with your team. Having a shared Google Drive folder can be an absolute game changer in these situations. It allows everyone involved to access the necessary files seamlessly. However, if you're not familiar with the process of uploading files to such a shared folder, it can be a bit daunting. In this video, we're going to break down the steps to make it a breeze, so you can collaborate and organize your files with ease. Let's kick things off by accessing Google Drive. Begin by opening your web browser, whichever one you prefer, and type Google Drive into the search bar. Alternatively, if you already know the exact URL, you can enter it directly. This will bring you to the Google Drive homepage. If you aren't already signed in, you'll need to do so. Make sure you're logged in with the Google account that has access to the shared folder you wish to use. Once you're logged into Google Drive, take a look at the panel on the left side of your screen. Here, you'll see various categories including options like My Drive and Shared with Me. For the purpose of this tutorial, you'll want to focus on the Shared with Me section. This is where you'll find all the files and folders that other users have shared with you. After selecting Shared with Me, you'll be presented with a list of all the shared folders and files you have access to, thanks to permissions granted by others. These folders might be arranged in different ways depending on how they were shared with you. So take your time to locate the folder where you want to upload your files. Once you find it, click on the folder to open it. Now that you're inside the shared folder, it's time to upload your files. Look towards the upper left corner of the Google Drive interface, where you'll see a button labeled New. This button is crucial as it allows you to create new folders or upload files into the shared space. Click on this New button and a drop-down menu will appear. From the options provided, select File Upload. A file browser window will pop up, enabling you to navigate through your computer's directories. Here, you can choose the specific file or files you want to upload into the shared folder. Once you have selected the files, click on Open, and the upload process will start automatically. You will see progress indicators confirming that the upload is underway. After the upload is complete, the files will appear in the shared folder. This means they are now accessible to everyone who has access to that particular folder. It's always wise to double-check that your files uploaded correctly and are in the right folder. This ensures that your collaborators can access them without any issues. And there you have it. You've successfully uploaded files to a shared Google Drive folder. This simple process can significantly enhance your ability to share, collaborate, and work efficiently with others. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of how to upload files to a shared Google Drive folder. For more step-by-step tutorials and guides, subscribe PMN Online so you never miss an update.